Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 61, practice 2, subtraction with regrouping in hundreds and thousands. Let's look at our example. Alright, so subtract. So over here we have 6,000 minus 800. And when we do a problem like this, we want to start from our ones place and then move on to our tens, our hundreds, our thousands. So over here, in our ones, 0 minus 0 is just 0. And then I look at my tens. Well, 0 minus 0 is also 0. Then I look at my hundreds. So 0 hundred minus 800. Now I can't do 0 hundred minus 800. So what I need to do is regroup. So I regroup from my thousands. Here I have 6,000. If I take one of my thousands away, I have 5,000. And I'm going to regroup that 1,000 into 10 hundreds. So that's why right now I have 10 hundreds over here. So 10 hundreds minus 8 hundredths equals 200. Alright, or 10 minus 8 equals 2. And again, that's my hundred spot. So it's really 1000 minus 800 equals 200. And then here we go with my 5,000. I can bring that straight down, 5,000. So let's do number 1 together. Again, I want to subtract from my ones place. 0 ones minus 0 ones is just 0. Look at my tens. 0 minus 0 tens is just 0. Now let's look at my hundreds. I have 600 and I need to take away 700. Well, I can't do that because 600 is smaller than 700. So what I need to do is regroup. So I can't have 600, so I need to take or regroup one of my thousands. So instead of 3,000, I now have 2,000. I'm going to take my 2,000, I'm going to take my thousands over here and I'm going to regroup it to 100. And 1,000 is the same thing as 10 hundredths. So 10 hundredths plus 600 gives me 16 hundredths. Alright, and then I can do 16 hundredths minus 7 hundredths. So 16 minus 7, well that gives me 9. And then my thousands. 2 minus 1, 1,000 gives me 1,000 over here. Alright, so hit pause, do number 2, 3, 4, 5 on your own. And when you're ready, we'll do number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, get started. Okay, welcome back. So here we go. We should have finished 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do these problems on the bottom here. And the only difference is here we have to line up the numbers. And up there they already lined up for us. So here we have to write these numbers up and down. So let's do one problem together. 9,356 minus 7,841. So again, all I have to do, I want to write these numbers up and down. 9,356. And again, when I line them up and down, I have to make sure I line it up as neatly as I can, so it's easy for me to subtract. Okay. Let's get started. Well, let's do our ones. 6 minus 1, well that's just 5. 5 minus 4, again these are my tens, so 5 tens minus 4 tens, well that's just 1 10, or 1. 300, remember this is my hundred spot. 3 minus 8, or 300 minus 800, and I know I can't do that because 3 is smaller than 8, so I need to regroup from my thousands. So instead of 9,000, I'm going to take 1,000 away, and that makes that 8,000. And I'm going to add my 1,000 to my hundred spot. So 1,000 is 10 hundredths. So take 1 away and add my 10 here. And I'm going to put a line there to make it easier. So now I have 13 hundredths minus 800. And 13 hundredths minus 800, or 13 minus 8. Well, that gives me just 5. And then 8 minus 7, again, this is my thousands. 8,000 minus 7,000, that gives me just 1,000. So my final answer is 1,515. I'm going to write that number right over here. 1,515. Okay, and I think you can do the rest by yourself. Okay, good luck.